ability to fight the disaster effectively. Recalled with gratitude the supreme sacrifice of 30 firefighters who were killed in the recent devastating blaze at BM Container Depot in Sitakundo. Describing briefly the measures taken by her government for overall development of the fire service, Sheikh Hasina said the government has initiated to build Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujib Fire Academy aimed at increasing the ability of firemen. On the occasion, on behalf of Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, the Home Minister awarded fighters were awarded fire service and civil defense medals for gallantry in 4 categories. Meanwhile, in reply to a question of newsmen emerging from the